Hey, and we're kayaking in the beautiful city of Pittsburgh. There's PNC Park right there, and we'll go down the Heinz Field, and there's some, I forget what that bridge is, but Fort Bridge Ridge over there is Mount Washington over there, and there's some buildings and a really cool. Guys, and here's Point State Park, amazing. There's there's the city, the building with the tip on is Highmark. UPMC over there, the black belt where it's trading range trees. There's Point. There's Point is Pittsburgh Lake West. There's Fort Bridge, Washington, and Heinz Field back there. You should know what that looks like.